After Christmas comes the cleanup. But before you toss that real Christmas tree in the trash, there's a local farm where it could be put to much better use. Fox 43's Natalie Caranda shows us how one Glen Rock farm is turning holiday leftovers into a healthy treat.
Many enjoyed their Christmas treats on Thursday, but for some four-legged friends, the fun is just getting started. Your Christmas tree can be turned into a healthy post-holiday treat, donated and fed to goats and pigs instead of ending up in the trash.
Just because you're done with them as a decoration does not mean that you need to throw them away. The pine trees are good for them for vitamin A and vitamin C. It's full of antioxidants. It's a natural dewormer. They will eat the needles, they will eat the bark.
Stephanie Hake runs Rocky Hill Barnyard, one of many York County farms accepting trees. She says the trees give the animals a wintertime activity, but doesn't replace their regular diets.
It can't be their only source of diet, but it is definitely a great additive.
Hake also says this isn't just a one-time treat. They'll also eat your leftover pumpkins.
Last year, we probably went through about 75 trees. We'll throw in like 3 or 4 at a time. This year, we went through about 200 pumpkins.
Hake's young sons, who also work on the farm, make sure all the trees are served to each animal.
They know about breeding them. They know about how we do ultrasounds. They know the food portions, who gets what, when they get it.
The fuzziest goat heel.
We have people who just drop trees off and people who stay and they kind of come in the barn and see the animals and get to meet them and know who's going to be enjoying their trees.
Hake says accepting trees is about reducing waste while creating something meaningful at the same time.
You don't want them to be sprayed. You don't want any chemical in the tree. You don't want them to have any tinsel or any decoration. So just the bare tree. As long as they're clean and still good for the animals, definitely put them right back into the animals. And then there's no waste.
You can drop your trees off anytime, giving holiday decor a second life long after the season ends.
I love it.
Natalie Caranda, Fox 43 News.